Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Capricorn with the earth element. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala, isang subscribe, likes, and share lang po. Yan ha. So, sandalit mabilis lumabas. Nagsashuffle ako, bigla lumabas. So, entertainahin na natin ha, yung unang card. Yan ha. So, let's see the whole month of April, okay, the energy surrounding para sa mga Capricorn with the earth elements, okay? So naririto ang tinatawag your strength, pero your strength is naka-reversed, ha? Okay. It's like ito yung tinatawag, it's about making decision, I think, ha? So ito yung sinasabi mo na it's not the time. Now is not the time. Okay? As it's something to do with making decision, hindi ka pa. It's not the right time. Okay? Hindi ka pa makakagawa ng desisyon. So, lumabas dito yung tinatawag the Fool. Okay? The Fool is the air Uranus. Okay? So, meron lang akong nakikita dito. It's like you want a space, okay, this person. So this is not the right time for you to make a decision. And ibig sabihin nito, you need a lot of space. Yan ha. Ang nakita ko lang, you just want a space. Okay, you just want space. Yan ha. So, naririto ang tinatawag 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The 10 of Pentacles. Okay? So, ano itong the 10 of Pentacles na ito? It's about your patience, di ba? Whatever is this, it's about your patience. Ibig sabihin nito, you're the alchemy of your destiny. You are the alchemy of your faith. You are the alchemy of your life, di ba? So, nakikita dito, because of your patience, ito yung tinatawag na the rewards, the abundance, di ba? Wealth, di ba? Yan. So, napakaganda ng energy na ito, ha? So, nag-reverse ang tinatawag na the Knight of Pentacles. Okay? Yan. So, it's more about, ang nakikita ko dito is, ito lang ha, nakikita ko. Okay? Be very, very careful. Okay? Yan. Kasi nagre-reverse na po. Nagre-reverse ha. Okay? If you are not careful, maaring ito yung tinatawag na you will experience bankruptcy. Okay? Yan. Pera na, pag hindi kayo maingat, because nag-reverse ang strength. Maybe ito yung tinatawag na maybe you have a tendency to buy, okay, to buy, shopaholic, something like that. It's more about spending ito, okay? Be very, very careful. Baka po kayo is mabankrupt, okay? For the month of April, very, very difficult, okay? So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag na kung ano man ito, nagkaroon ito ng tinatawag na nagkaroon dito ng pag-ibig, love romance, okay? And they want you back. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. They want you back. Yan na. Be very, very careful. Baka kayo is mabankrupt. Yan na. Yan. Baka mawala lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, okay? Pera. Very, very careful. Capricorn. Kapag walang control, kasi nakikita dito, nawawalan kayo ng control, di ba? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups, okay? So, the Four of Cups is meron talagang namimiss kayo. Yan the Four of Cups. Namimiss kayo, ha? Okay. So, nangyayari lang ito pagka siya is nag-iisa. Yan ha. Pag lang po siya is nag-iisa. Palagi kayong namimiss. So, ang nakikita ko dito is sinasabi niya na, I just wish things were different. Yan ha. I don't know. That's all I see. So naririto ang tinatawag na the Seven of Pentacles. Yan ha. So the Seven of Pentacles is tinatawag na merong tao, okay? Kumbaga dito binibigyan kayo ng option para kayo is makapili. Yan ha. It's all about choosing. Kaya yung tinatawag na an option to choose. Yan ha. Yan lang ang nakikita ko. Okay? You have an option to choose. Yan ha. Maaring meron itong magsasabi sa inyo. Okay? So, ano pa nakikita ko? Narito ang tinatawag na the Eight of Wands. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng the Eight of Wands is about unleashing your creativity. It's about time to unleash your creativity. Yan o. Diba? Kita ninyo. Maring ito, kung whatever is this, your creativity, magdadala ito sa iyo sa tinatawag na abundance, success, wealth, diba? Okay? Okay. Dito lang ha, sandali lang ha, may hinahanap lang ako. Tingnan ko kung lalabas ha. Okay. Kita ninyo, okay? A lot of money is coming to you. But, ito yung ibig sabihin nito, maybe you will be tempted, okay? To spend all the money. Okay? Yan. Because lumabas yung tinatawag your strength. Okay? So, be very, very careful, ha? Yan. So, let's see. Another energy. Talagang, yan o, kita ninyo. Ang dami po. Dami. The month of April, okay? It's like, because nakikita ko dito, you are the alchemist of your life, of your destiny. Everything you touch turns into gold, okay? But once you touch this at hindi ka tinatawag na wala kang discipline, it's like mawawala ito, okay? It will be gone forever. So, there is a tendency, okay? Yan. Kung sabihin na natin kung ngayon bankrupt ka in the month of April, it's like one to sawa. Ang pera is, kung it's like from many direction, the money comes, okay? In all direction, the money comes, okay? But, kasi naka-reverse ito, okay? Naka-reverse. Yan, ha? It's like it will only happen once in a lifetime. Kasi narito ang Uranus, di ba? Ano yung 7 planets na nag-open? Ibig sabihin, nag-open ang portals ng 7 planets, okay? Pag hindi ka naging smart, intelligent, di ba? Pwede itong mawala forever. Kasi the Uranus travels every, if I'm not mistaken, 7 or 8 years, di ba? I think 12 years, 11, 12 years, okay? Yan. So, be very, very careful, ha? Meron talagang gustong bumalik kayo, okay? Yan. Pero dito, it's like tinatawag, patience. It's about their patience, di ba? Maybe it's your patience or their patience. It's about your patience, kaya makakaroon ka ng tinatawag rewards. Yan, oh. Di ba? Kasi dito, oh. Di ba? Because of your patience, prayers, intelligence, wisdom, faith, di ba? Religion, philosophy, di ba? So, ito. Yan, ha? Meron talaga dito yung tinatawag na they want you back. Okay? They want you back. Okay? Kumbaga dito ang nakikita ko naghihintay pa rin sila. Okay? Na mapansin mo, okay? Bigyan mo sila ng halaga, okay? Yan. They are hoping magbago, okay, ang iyong tinatawag pag-iisip, di ba? Maybe they want you, it's like bibigyan ka nila ng option to choose. Yan. Merong nagkakagusto talaga sa inyo, ha? Malaking gusto. So, naririto, naka-reverse na ang the hangman, okay? So, the hangman, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na unleashing your creativities, whatever is this, ha? Yan, oh. Unleash na, okay? Kaya dito, kita mo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, it's time to move, okay? Now is the time. Kasi April is Taurus season, okay? So, April is all about money, acquiring wealth, your what passion, work, di ba? Ano pa ba ang dala-dala niyan? Love, romance, travel, okay? Ano pa? Your name, reputation, yan, no? In the month of April, di ba? It's like a full package, lahat narito, di ba? Narito, yan. So there is it's like an ending of a cycle, a new cycle, a new beginning. Because April dito sa Europa is a tinatawag na spring, okay? Spring season. Kumbaga dito'y tutubo yung mga plants from last year. Yan, okay? So it's magkakaroon na tinatawag abundance, okay? Yan. So maaring sabihin na nating meron ditong tutubong pag-ibig, 'di ba? Maaring dito may tutubong bagong relationship. Yan, ha? So ito, ha? Na siya. I-unleash mo na, okay? It's more about unleashing your power, your creativity, your dreams, okay? To become reality.